Hello everyone, this is Vaishali. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Arty Party DIY. First of all, I'm really sorry for being late due to work. I was not able to upload the videos. But now we are coming up with the series of Diwali decor. So stay tuned and don't miss any videos, as most of the projects are going to be based out of waste. And today we are seeing these beautiful tea light holders which are going to be creative as well as based out of waste. So before any further ado, let's start the making of the tea light holders. So let the fun begins and wish you very happy Diwali in advance. Stay tuned with Arty Party DIY. If you are new on the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep following. Thank you so much. So these are first set of tea light holders which are made from the artificial flowers, and we need cardboard for the base. So we are cutting the cardboard in a circular shape in desired size, and for tea light container we are going to use this cardboard roll. And to decorate it, you can use any decorative material or lace. You can just stick the lace around it with the glue gun. And to make the flowers, we can use this sheet. It is called a felt fabric. So cut the felt sheet in this circular shape and follow the steps. So basically you will give it a wavy shape like this. Following the same pattern, you have to go inside spirally and cut it like this. Now roll this inward and stick it at the end like this. So the flower is ready. Now you can make them in numbers, or else you can get these ready-made ones which you get in bulk and in a very nominal price along with the pollens. These are golden pollens. You can make it at home, but it would be really great if you can buy it in bulk. That's quite affordable. So cut their stems and assemble all the things all together. To make the tea light container look nice, you can paint it with metallic golden paint. In this way, you can start pasting whatever decorative material you have in the desired pattern. So check this out. This one is with ready-made tea light container and one is it based out of waste. Can you find the difference? No, because it is absolutely stunning. So you can make such tea light holders with different waste material. Now instead of cardboard roll, we are using this bottle lid, this waste bottle, plastic bottle lid as a tea light container, and we are going to make it in the same way we made the earlier one. So we will paint the lid inside with golden paint and stick the lace around, and then start pasting flowers and pollens on the cardboard circle. And we are done. This is with ready-made container, and this one is with the cardboard roll, which is waste cardboard roll, and the third one is plastic bottle lid. They look absolutely amazing, and this is the collection. You can make it in different shape and different colors. This one again is a new type which is made out of this lace waste cardboard roll. I just took the lace out and wrapped that container in the felt fabric sheet and decorated it with the lace as well as half cut circles, golden circles. And now let's start checking out the third type, elegant and creative clay tea light holders. They look beautiful. Take the small amount clay in different 2 colors. It is going to give a beautiful and 2 color texture which is quite twisty. Make the 2 snakes and twist it around and make a roll and put it on the platform and roll it. This is air dry clay, and I have given the link of the recipe of the clay. You can also use Fevicryl molded for this. Cut it in the circle and place it inside any container. I had this beautiful dish, so I placed it inside to get the shape. This shape I found very fascinating, so I use this dish. If you don't have, you can place it inside the normal circular container too. Now stick the tea light container and make such small roses. I had already shared in my couple of videos how to make such small roses. I am also providing the same link of the video in the description box. Kindly check those videos as well. And this is how we make the small roses. I am just making the simple small circles and wrapping it around this small bud. Make such small 2 roses ready as per your wish and the size, and then stick all those things together. You can also use glue for the same, I mean Fevicol, or you can use hot glue. Once the flowers are ready, you can make small leaves, and you have already learned how to make those, and stick leaves to the flowers and stick all those things together. Once the dish is completely dry, it will take 24 hours to dry all these creations. I hope you will enjoy making these and will celebrate your Diwali with your handcrafted creations. Once again, happy Diwali. Thank you so much.